Hey, welcome back to another Travels Large tour. Today we're on the Norwegian Getaway. Back in 2014, when this ship was brand new, I was actually on board. Today we're going to be in an Oceanview, and stay tuned because today I have a very special guest with me. So let's go in and take a look. So on board today, I have brought a very special guest with me. It's spring break back where I live. So everybody, I'd like to introduce you to my son, Caden. Caden, say hi.
Hi.
We're very well underslept, so we apologize for the hair. We both got a little wild hair going on, but let's show everybody our cabin that we're staying in for the next 7 nights, and let's do this. What do you want to show first? What do you think is the cool thing? So, Caden, what are we going to show them first?
Secret spots.
Secret spots? Okay, what do we got going here?
Number one, you can hide under this bed by going here. You slide under.
What life jacket? Be a good idea to have that just in case of emergency, right?
Smoking button.
We got to unbuckle it.
Smokers are ass.
Number two, got this one.
That's a great storage spot, or a great Caden spot, right?
And there's 2 ways to get in it. It is really big in there.
Looks like there's quite a bit of room.
There's a lot of room. I was able to fit in there. And we got another one right here.
What do we got going here behind you?
This.
Yes.
It is where I'm going to sleep for the first night.
Okay, so we got a little mattress area with right by the window that overlooks. One thing I think it's important to note to everybody who's looking at maybe booking this room is the blind situation. There is a note here. The note here says that
Dear guest,
due to the bridge being above your stateroom, we kindly ask your consideration in the evenings while at sea by keeping the drapes closed to prevent glare. This is due to the light from your room reflecting onto the bridge. Reflecting onto the bridge, which can minimize the night vision.
memorize.
Yeah.
You can't say it.
Thank you, who? Who says thank you here in the corner?
Thank you, your captain.
Good job.
Captain right here.
So, is it important we keep those closed at night while we're at sea? Okay, so what else should we show everybody?
How big the bathroom is.
The bathroom's an important spot.
Yeah, when you need to go. Oh yeah, I just don't get why they put these. Because, let's say it's locked.
Uh-huh.
And you have your room key on you. And someone's in the bathroom. Put your room key right there.
Well, that's a good thing in case somebody locks themselves in the bathroom. Maybe a Caden throwing a temper tantrum or something. You never know.
Dad!
So the light's on the outside. That's one thing that's important to note. But once we go inside, what do we see? We got a nice little walk-in shower.
You might think that this is a sliding shower. That's what I thought at first. Or you might think it's a raising shower. No.
Oh, it opens. Okay, well, let me get on the inside here. And so what do we got? A shower head up here. Some soap.
Conditioner, shampoo, and body wash.
Okay. Hot water.
Storage right here. Hot water, cold water.
The storage is very nice. You got plenty of room.
Mm-hmm.
You got a string to hang your wet clothes above.
Yep.
Got a bunch of shelves over here. We got TV in the room, of course. I don't know, I think it's like a 24-inch size TV. You can watch movies. They got some options there. Down here, what do we got, Caden?
I'm going into the passcode.
Oh, we don't want to see the passcode. What do we got going here?
Bunch of storage in there. I mean, not a whole lot, if you ask me.
Got room for like a, maybe like a tablet, like your wallet in my case.
Yeah, there is a closet right here. Don't just try and do this or this.
Just a
Slide
sliding.
it.
Nice.
And, again, like the secret spots over there, It's a two-way.
Okay. No drawers or anything in there. Looks like a bunch of hangers, though, and a shelf.
Yeah.
You have that going for you.
Storage right
couple
here.
Little nightstands for the beds. And
a
what
chair. This can be a table or a chair, but I prefer a chair.
Is there any storage underneath that cushion right there? Does that open anyway?
There could be. Oh, there is storage. I was not expecting that.
So you can store stuff into there as well. That's
yeah, it can
nice.
be a table or a chair, and it also can be storage. That's awesome. Have some storage right here if you want to place like some books or your remote, your tablet, your phone, and it'll drop right here. The only thing I recommend is if you have a small phone like me, don't place it in there or else it's going to get caught.
Oh, we don't want that.
No.
We don't want to get caught at all. So, this is our cozy little stateroom for the next 7 nights. Do you think we chose good?
Yep.
Give it a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, it's a pretty decent little stateroom. The only thing, there's really no like drawers. You got the under storage underneath there, but there's no like place to put like socks and underwear, which is a little strange. But there is a lot of storage options in this room. So if you're sailing in a room like this, you got that going for you. And other than that, you know, it's a decent little room. Don't have a couch, but you have this little like day bed by the window, which is kind of cool.
I forgot to mention something.
Oh, what did you forget to mention? We got to include this.
So the secret room right down there, that secret room, there's a table right next to these two beds. And well, if you go in the secret room, there's storage.
Oh, there is some storage in the table there, isn't there?
Yep.
Okay, so it's Caden approved, and we're going to spend the next 7 nights in here. We got a great view of the front of the ship here, so you're going to be able to see everything, get a good view, and yeah, it's a decent little room. I'm excited, and here's to another fun trip. Let's go.